Alright, so first, you got your belt, right? Yours, I made so the numbers on here, 1224, all that, is upside up. But you want to make sure, like, you can't put this part through the, so you want to make sure you don't. So you can buckle it and then put it through as you would a normal belt. The 8 Elliot goes in towards you. Feel me? So touching the waistband, loop it all the way through, and then you go through the one to the left first, then around through the one to the right, tighten it. I go like this, I fold it behind the belt and pull it down so the 8 Elliot shows, but you know, of course, that's up to you. So then you'll notice the nipple over here, feel me? Actually, yours is the opposite, because this, when you pull it through the belt loop, sometimes it gets caught, so I put yours the other way. But you'll see 3 metal things, right? You're gonna put the one in the middle right onto the thing. See how it snaps? And then this top part, you're gonna tuck it behind the belt, in between the waistband, and then snap it into the bottom one. So first you connect the bag to the belt, and then you close the second part of the bag onto itself. And then here, you just can adjust it however tight you want. This one I use Velcro, but yours has a an elastic band to hold it in place. But yeah, that's it. This can separate, so like if you wanted to take it off real quick without taking it all the way off the belt, you could do that, or you could snap it off. Again, this is the first one I made, so I made improvements from here, but this has one zipper, yours has double, so honestly you could switch what side you wear it on. Your belt would just have to be upside down, that's the only thing, but no one's gonna know but you. And I believe that's everything. You got the main pocket, inside Velcro pocket, and then underneath the flap there's a pocket, and all of these around you can hook and hang stuff from it. I got a bunch of buttons just from all the places I travel, but it's up to you. But yeah, that's it. Any questions, let me know, bro. Appreciate you.